Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Simrose and today we'll be talking about vision boarding. So it is the beginning of 2022 and a lot of persons are putting together their vision board for the year. So for those who don't know much or for those who just need a gentle reminder, you can stay tuned and I will bring you through the steps. People may ask, what is vision boarding or what is the purpose of vision boarding? So it's basically a tangible reminder of your goals that you want to achieve for a particular period, usually in a 1 year period. And the whole purpose of doing this as well is to just put that positive energy out there into the universe of your life goals, because what you put out there, you will receive. So the first step in vision boarding is to, of course, write down your goals. So you'll have a clear vision of what you need to put on that vision board. All right. So you can use a journal, a book, a piece of paper, whatever you have available around your house, and of course, a pen or a pencil. Now, this is the most important step. So please try to just relax, meditate, pray if you need to before. Find a quiet place to get this done where you can really focus on what you want to achieve for the rest of the year. Okay, so these are the general categories that I use on an annual basis when organizing and putting my vision board together. You can very well modify to fit your needs and unique lifestyle, but I usually go with education and career, personal growth. This can include spirituality, exercise. I also do traveling and vacation, business and investments, hobbies and skills, like if you want to learn how to swim, horseback riding, play an instrument, and of course, family and relationships. Now, step number 2 is about finding representation for the goals that you have written down. Now, representation usually means photos, words, quotes, objects, and so on. So, for example, I have this photo of 2022 that I'll be putting in the center of my vision board. I have other encouraging words like boss, number one, and I have a third one, which is faith. Here we go. Here's faith. All right, and then based on the goals that you want, you find the photos to represent. So I'm going to show you one of mine. So for example, I want clearer skin, right? So I found this photo with someone who I think has pretty nice skin, and I'm gonna use this to encourage me on a daily basis to do my skin routine, to drink a lot of water, and so on, so that my skin can become clearer as well. When doing this step, it is very important to be as specific and intentional as possible. So, for example, if you want to take a vacation somewhere specific, go ahead and type in that specific hotel or place, and then you could use that photo for your vision boarding purposes. Alright, so once you've completed those steps, here comes the fun part. Now you're gonna need a base, right? Something to outline everything on. I saw this kind of like foam paper kind of material, and I liked it because it has sparkles and it's green, and green represents money, and I'm about making money this year. But I've decided to use the reverse because the sparkles may overpower the photos. So I've started to put together my vision board, and this is what it looks like so far. So of course I've put God at the center of my 2022. I do that every year. And then I started to decorate with the words, and then of course I have my categories. So I'm going to begin to put the photos under each of the categories. Now this is also something that you're doing to remind yourself. Yes, you'll put it on display somewhere where you can view it on a daily basis, but it should also be kept private, if you know what I mean. So besides from the persons who are in your immediate family who you love and trust and you know wish the very best for you, yeah, they may see your vision board if they come into your room and so on, but don't go taking photos, putting it on social media, sharing it with everybody that you can. It's something that you really keep for yourself, keep private, so that you can be reminded on a daily basis and to also, you know, lock out that negative energy. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in to my vision boarding tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried vision boarding before and how it went for you. All right, until next time.